We offer webcam checkouts through our department. You can just email me and reserve a time. In that little kit, you get a web camera with a tripod. Here's the camera. There's a little arrow that shows you which way to face out to the classroom. Very important. You don't want to film like your lower chin the whole time. This can be hooked up to either computer, and it has a USB connection. So as long as your computer has a USB, or if you have a USB adapter, if you have a newer computer, you can use that. And the first thing you do is just set it up on the desk. So you pick kind of, every podium's different, but you sort of have to make a judgment call, like where do you want your class to be shot from? You can also tell your class to move. So if you have a smaller class, like you can help this be a better experience for everyone if you sort of compose the picture a little bit. You also will get like a handy setup guide that just has like pictures and explanations of everything. So I've just set up the tripod over here, and I've just pulled out the legs. I'm gonna pop it on this desk, and maybe I'll angle it over here for now, but we can always move it. It pivots pretty easily, and we sort of set it up so that it's like ready to use for you.